Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing about 10th class lesson the election process in India, political parties in election, the code of conduct. The first question is, what is regional party? The regional party means if a party wins 3% of valid votes or 3 assembly seats in a state, it is declared as the regional party. Example, TDP, TRS. Okay. Next, AIADMK. Okay, DMK. These are regional parties. Once again, I am repeating. If a party wins 3% of valid votes, 3% of valid votes or 3 assembly seats in a state, 3 assembly seats in a state, that is called as a regional party. That is called as a regional party. Example, TDP, Telugu Desam Party, TRS, Telangana Rashtra Samiti, AIADMK, All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kachakam, DMK, Dravida Munnetra Kachakam. Okay, children, next we'll go to next question. What is national party? The national party means a party recognized in 4 states, with 6% of valid votes or 11 assembly seats, 11 Lok Sabha seats, and that is and called as a means how many, and once again I am repeating, if a party recognized 4 states, 6% of valid votes or 11 Lok Sabha seats like MP seats from 4 states, already I told, from 4 states, 6 valid votes, 6% of valid votes or 11 Lok Sabha seats from 4 different states, and such and party is known as national party. Party is known as national party. Example, Congress. Next, CPI, at present BJP, running or ruling party BJP, okay, CPM. These are important national parties. Congress. Next one is CPI, Communist Party of India. Next, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. CPM, Communist Party of Marxist. Communist Party of Marxist. These all are national parties. Okay, children. Next, we'll go to third question. The third question is, what are key points of code of conduct? Code of conduct means the code of conduct nothing but the rules and regulations. Code of conduct nothing but rules and regulations. What are those? No person comments and shall be made that are not relevant to political life. Means personal, and what is the personal comments? A person is not commented by any politician. Okay, if one of the and parties and criticize, then and those are and criticize with political, and but don't comment in personal and personally, they never and comment and personally, or any politician never comment personal and to any politician. No candidate and shall influence the voters and either by giving cash or any article or gift. Any type of and person and never and never motivate to the means what is that one? The persons or the voters, they never motivate to any voter either the giving gifts or cash or any liquor or something. Okay, next. And then no voter and shall be used and to cast his or her vote in other identity. Means any political party, they never involve or never interfere the caste, creed, race and anything. Okay, so they never involve in them in the politics. No campaigning and with 100 meters and in the day of polling. Means what is that one? And any type of and political party and never and campaigning and in the day of polling, means in the polling day, and they should follow 100 meters distance from the political and that is called that is a booth. And what is that? And it is a center of polling, that is called polling booth. From polling booth to 100 meters distance they must maintain. Okay, next. And fifth point, and there should be and no campaigning after or before the permit hours. Means then what is that? The election commission giving particular hours, a particular time, and they should follow and particular and rules and regulations either before and or and then at a particular time, and they should follow and exactly at the time. If and those are and complete neglect about them, and then automatically the election commission and collect and some fine from the political party. Okay, children. Next, no political party shall either get voters and to the polling station or and drop and voters from the polling station. Any type of and political party then never and complete convince to the voters. The voters and completely those are and coming to the polling booth, they are and giving and their valuable vote to the any political candidate or independent candidate. That is the wish of voter. So here and then any type of and political party, they never and convince or those are not and giving any type of and transportation for voters. That this is a and criminal. Okay, that's why and any type of and political parties, they never and arrange any type of and vehicles and for drop or and then and what is that one? And those are they never and come to the polling station or they never and drop and to the drop and from the polling station. That's why then voters they will come voluntarily and then afterwards and they are and giving their valuable vote to the political parties or political candidate or any type of and candidate who are contesting in the in that a particular constituency. Is it right, children? Okay, thank you, children.